Just want to show you the syringes that I picked up from the team. These are disposable, so you use only once and you dispose of them. This particular one is the 30 gauge needle. They are individually sealed, and just for assurance there is an expiry date on there, I would say, so make sure when you're getting them, you're using them in date, because they are sterile, and obviously beyond that they might not be able to guarantee that. I use this for the golden dose. If you know, you know. So you've got your plunger end on the one end, you've got your needle on the other, and this has the markings on there, so it goes from the lowest, I think it's 10, and then you go up to 100 is the longest. So if you draw back and push through as there, and then just put your needle cap back on there and then dispose of that into your sharps bin. Basically, I've had no issues with these at all. I can't feel it, to be honest with you. It's so fine. There you go. I cannot feel it. So I've had no issues with it feeling like it's been snaggy or anything weird like that. It's been comfortable. So yeah, I can certainly recommend these, and it does what I need it to do.